told him it was doing, and I was trying to get man, that I had talked to you, and I want to wish you a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, man. And I 51. You know, every time I hear my radio, big brother, I just try to get it back to let you not hear you, and it's kind of big Cooper 25, man. Sure do. Hey, 51. I always try to let you know that I hear this small station around the Bayou Country, 75 miles west of New Orleans, 51, 29, and I'm listening to you while all this mess going on my receiver. I see ya.
By 29, I sure appreciate you. Let me know I'm getting a little bit of signal down in the Bayou Country. Hey, 29, we always try to say hello when we hear you in our speaker, ain't no doubt. Hey, 29, take care. God bless around the Bayou Country. 29, you 51, Virginia, sitting back.
And that's a lot, 51. Hey, a lot, 51. Yeah, I was reading on you, man. You always acknowledge my little bit of station, man. And I acknowledge you for the new year, no doubt about it. 51, God bless you, and God keep you, and all your best and good in all your place. Hey, you've been a friend of mine on the radio, sure did. Always will, and always will be. 51, you're 29 in the Bayou go.
By 29, catch you a little later, my friend. Hopefully Mother Nature will be friendly a little more often. Hey, 29, take care. Always a pleasure. And we'll be doing it again real soon, no doubt about it. 29, that little station sure gets on through here. Shoot, I got to place a 20 on the old meter on you. Take care, 29. 5-1 around this old Virginia line, and we'll catch you a little bit later.
How you going? I see you.
5-1 in Virginia. You got a copy of 611 up here in Spokane. 5-1. I think I got that right, man. Over there in Virginia.
69, 6 in Oklahoma. 69, 6 in Oklahoma. Happy New Year to you. 69, 6 man. You got my...
Hey, 611, I hear you shouting at this 5-1 Virginia. Hey, 611, 51, trying to get it back.
You're giving me some good numbers over here today in Spokane. No doubt about it, man. I got you a lot better than I had you the other day. I tell you, it was kind of rough on my receive, but fun talking to a great operator behind the key.
Yeah, 69. Well, 69, I got a nice guitar, man. But I tell you what, I got a whole crowd of radios up in here, man. I guarantee I'm going to tell you, man. I try to do what I can, and hear what I can, and shoot, man. Everybody.
Hey, 611, yeah, it's a pleasure once again, my friend. The old Mother Nature, she sure does get busy. At 29 at Bayou, he got big old numbers on me, but hey, you coming in there every now and then between him, are sounding good. Hey, 611, pleasure on this end. Here's another good operator, my friend, no doubt about it.
And a happy New Year, and a prayer go out to you. I see you.
You're coming in here in fine style up here, man. You betcha. You're shaking and baking, rocking and rolling my receive up here in the Great Northwest. Sound real fine behind the key, too.
Somebody, I didn't get you 20, man. I didn't get 20. You want to know 29 got a copy of you. But I do, man. I try to charge him better than you, man. I just got this kid to get out there and learn music, man. Got a really good moment. I just got this kid.
Hey, 611, I hope it ain't too cold up over where you're at, because I know it's cold country, but it's been pretty cool down in Virginia, just a dab of snow and down in the 20s, but she's got a little sunshine peeking through the window, so it's all looking good. Hey, 611, shoot, I hope you're having a great day up there.
Man, feeling good. 29, that's how you're going.
5-1 over there in Virginia. I'll tell you what traffic is in there, North Carolina. Yeah, you'll be on deck for sure, man. Hey, 5-1, 73. I'll tell you, it's cool up here. I'm going to take the wife to the movie and go see that Hobbit movie. I used to, I was a big Tolkien fan when I was a kid and reading all that.
That's right, yeah. I got a copy, man. We got too many in here, man. And you got real good, man. I got one show you right here, man. I'm going to try to listen and see who you hear on the radio.
Getting on down, that's right. 611 waving at you one more time. Have a happy New Year, that's right. I'll put on you when I can. 5-1, 611, I'm clear.
Hey, I appreciate it all. 611, you and the family, hey, get out there and enjoy that movie and have a great day, ain't no doubt. 611, big New Year's coming up. Hope it's all real good your way. Take care. Don't get too cold, my friend. 611, catch you a little later, and we'll try to do it again real soon. Old Mother Nature let us. 611, 51, run this old Virginia line. We're getting on the other way.
Another great key down 5-1. I just had to come in and say that. I tell you what, I should have opened up the key down there. That's right, man. Sounded fantastic. Anyway, hey, take care, man. 611, Spokane. This time I'm going gone.
Bye, 611. Catch you later, my friend. 51, gone. Number 6 is coming out of that Bayou Stall, 51, Virginia, with a quick wait.